e-Cert is a remote check-in and recertification service for all Axicon barcode verifiers. In this video, we will show you what e-Cert is. e-Cert kits are available for all Axicon verifiers, one set for the linear verifiers and a different set for the 2D verifiers. Returning a verifier to us for its annual VCAS, which is a verifier conformance alignment service, is sometimes difficult, yet the verifier may still be operating within expected tolerances and could be recertified as still conforming to the ISO IEC standards. Using e-Cert provides you with the reassurance that your barcode verifier is working correctly without having to return it to us. When you receive your e-Cert package, you will find a set of specifically produced NIST traceable barcode test cards, a new calibration card, and instructions about how to use them. Simply log on to the Axicon e-Cert platform and follow the on-screen instructions. Once complete, Axicon's technical staff will assess the results, and if the verifier passes, we will supply you with a new certificate of conformance that will last for 1 year. If you find for whatever reason the verifier does not pass, you can return it for no additional charge. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, then please feel free to contact us.